Hello, here we are at a corn maze, and we're going to follow the path.
Hey look, your camera's making a shadow. Ooh, it's getting spooky. Actually, it's kind of crazy. Is that a one? You have the light. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a path. Walking through the corn. We're still going.
If it looks the same, that's because it may be.
We don't know. We just keep turning right. That's all we're doing.
Oh yeah. This is a long video.
It is a long video.
Did you miss a turn back there, or is that...